Have you ever wanted your Jeep Wrangler bonnet to stop opening like this and start opening like this? Then this is going to be the product for you. Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video and welcome to my 20-second video on the 2009 Jeep Wrangler. In this video I'm going to be installing these bonnet struts which have been kindly given to me by XS Automobile and Motorcycle Parts Store, and I will leave a link to this product and their parts store down below in the description. So this product comes in a whole range of colours. I've gone for a colour that I think will contrast the car, which you'll see shortly, but do check out all of the different colours for your car. They also come with different fitting kits for different cars as well, so please check them out if you have different cars. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you all of the components we need. We're going to run through a tutorial on how to fit it to the car, and I'm going to show you its operation and also give my honest opinion. So let's get started. I've now laid out each of the components and tools we're going to need to do the job, and you can now see the colour option I went for, which is the red carbon fibre. Ooh, shiny. So the brand of the struts is Zhang, and you can actually see the brackets up here as well. So we have the bottom brackets with the additional bolt, and these are the top brackets. As far as tools are concerned, we're really lucky. We don't have to drill any holes or do anything like that. We just need a couple of 10mm spanners or sockets and a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. I've also laid out the instructions here, but I have scanned them in, which I'll put up on the screen right now. We're going to start with the bottom brackets first, and you will notice they are handed, so there is a left and a right, so make sure you pick the right one. What we're looking for is the pivot point to be on the inside, and what we're going to do is undo that 10mm bolt there, and we're going to line up that hole with that hole there, and that's where we're going to put our new additional bolt. So that is what our bottom bracket looks like, and now repeat for the other side. Again, the top brackets are handed left and right, and that is the correct orientation. So that one goes up that side, that one goes that side. So the first thing we're going to do is actually separate the two plates. And then this is the portion that's going to slide into the bonnet, and then this one's going to go on the outside, which I'll show you just now. To make things easier for myself, I'm actually going to hook this out of the way, and the other thing that I'm going to do is just bend that slightly down so you can get your finger in a bit easier. You might have smaller fingers than me. And here's the tricky bit. We're going to slide this into here until we can see it down here, and then we're going to line up one of these bolt holes . And then you can go ahead and actually get the other one in. With them still slightly loose, I'm going to go ahead and put the soundproofing back in. And we can actually bend that back now and then do this up fully. Repeat for the other side. And now for the icing on the cake, we get to install our strut. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten up this end of the strut, and I'm going to leave this one a little bit loose. And you're just going to go ahead, sort of line that up, and then just pop that on like that. And then what we're going to need to do is actually lift the bonnet up. To get the bonnet bottom one in. And we're just going to repeat that for the other side. And there you go, that's how you fit some bonnet struts on a Jeep Wrangler JK model. Now, other than just looking and sounding really cool, they're actually really functional as well. It stops you having a bonnet stay up there that will get in your way when you're working in the engine bay. Also, if you put any heavy accessories on the bonnet, it will help you lift the bonnet up. And also, if you're just not tall enough to lift the bonnet and put the bonnet stay in, it's going to help you out as well. Now these retail at about 50 Australian dollars delivered, but do check out the link below. They deliver all the way around the world, so the price does vary. Now the product I'm really pleased with, and I think the quality is really good. The bracketry fits perfect. I've not had to modify it at all anywhere or do any drilling like they said on the packet, which is really nice. It is rather tricky to get the top ones in, but just take your time and make sure you don't drop them down into the bonnet, because that will cause you some dramas. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out any of my other videos, including the 21 other videos on the Jeep Wrangler JK, and please subscribe to my channel.